Hi, hey there YouTube. It is Sunday, July 28th, 2019, about 2:38 in the afternoon. You see this nice little setup here? That clock there is completely wrong, so don't pay that no mind. We are in Dawson City, Yukon Territory, Canada. And that's this little setting, little park. We parked up the road there. So I thought I would start my video with this. Look at these flowers. I'll just walk you around this. Show you some of this setup. Pretty nice flowers. Look at these down here. Is this not a beautiful setup? I think it is. I like it. Alright, that takes us about all the way around. Now I'll show you, there's a little bit of the town right over there. Very colorful. All the way down through. We rode a free ferry to get over here. Just got off that a few minutes ago. Got parked. And here, if you don't think this clock is broken, look at this. That's a broken clock. Very much so. Let's see. Over here we got the Dawson's waterfront. So there you go. You can see this picture up here, great big one. And if you're interested in reading this, here, I'll do that for you. You can pause it. Read it as you go. Over here. And then that saying right there. So over here is the river. Hard to see it, a lot of trash right there. River's very, very muddy today. And we just came across this thing back down to my right. So you see, goes a crazy raven. But that's the river right there. Alright, we'll go explore the town. Alright, so the next thing I'll show you is this boat over here. You can see it's called the Kino, and I do know there is a town called Kino on the Silver Trail here in the Yukon. So I take it that's what this is named after. Very big boat. So they got her dry docked here, obviously. I'm sure they offer tours or what have you on it. But we're going to head down here to the visitor center. They got two different ones, one for the Yukon itself and one for the Northwest Territories. And we're going to go to both of them, but the Northwest Territories is what we're really interested in right now because of the Dempster, which is our planned target. So let's go see. Here's the boat from the back end. That you can see the paddle wheel this way. And then the very next thing I want to show you is this little building right here. You see this thing has got a sod roof on it. Little tiny log cabin. Triple Hotel and Cabins of Klondike Spirit, it says. Tombstone Outfitters. So, very nice. Then look at the burl wood. That's out here. One of those things. So that's nice. And then you can see the sod up there. Pretty cool. Alright, we're going to go on down this way and find that center. Alright, so you see we've run across these paintings here. This is on the Monte Carlo Golden Gifts, but it's actually a for sale building. But look at these things. Pretty nice, huh? Hopefully you like those. And then we'll walk on along the boardwalk. And the lady walking up there is the one that just helped us on the Dempster Highway information. So let's keep going. Downtown Hotel. Pretty big place. On 2nd Avenue. And there's the CIBC Banking Center there. And Goat's Place down there, and you see walking on boardwalks here. Let's keep going. Alright, so that's the Yukon School of Visual Arts. So, very good looking building there. Like that one. Over here's Klondike Motors, gas for less, so looks like they're sort of out of business. So you get zero gas for $0, it looks like. Alright, let's go up here and look at this Victorian. Alright, so that's the Masonic Temple. But yet, look at the building. It's actually an extremely nice building. Definitely like the look of it, that's for sure. Okay, you got some more of the front of it. So, not bad looking at all. So let's keep going and see what else we can find. Alright, so over here we have the Triple J Hotel. And hey, I like the look of that and all those flags and everything. Pretty nice, right? Let's keep going, seeing what else we can see. Alright, so we got all these things here. Gertie's Wing, it says. It's a Westmark Inn, but check out all these colors of this thing. And I know my baby would enjoy these because she likes colors. Down there we have the Aurora Inn, that yellow one. But look at this bright yellow one here. This is the lobby for Belinda's Restaurant, Keno Lounge entrance, that says. And welcome to Westmark Dawson. So apparently all of this is owned by Westmark. So it's all one shot. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Very good. And then the color of these things here. Pretty cool. Lobby and Keno Lounge up there. Westmark in Dawson, it says up there with the flags flying. And they walk by the front door and Belinda's Restaurant. So George, did you know that Belinda's working here? Because there she is. Alright. And then as we're getting closer, show you still, again, this Aurora Inn. It says Hotel Restaurant right there. Alright, so this building says the Yukon Hotel. Very little. It doesn't look like it's in business or anything. But still a very, very, very cute building. Alright, then over here is this church building.
Now open for free tour.
So here you go. There's the steeple right there. Here's what it says about it. Yeah, you should be able to read that, hopefully. I believe. And you can pause it and read it if you need to. Hold it there for you for a couple seconds. Pause that and read it. Alright. Story Church now open for free tours. Stand here, take a look. There you go. That's big. Firewood, so apparently that's how they heat. Kind of dark, but it's like the GoPro's lighting it up. Ooh, it's a big wood burner right there. Pretty simple stained glass. Not sure if that's coming in or not. I don't know if you can see that or not, but wood. All the way up there. Yeah, it's coming through, ain't it? Alright, there we go. Let's get you close to one of these stained glasses so we can see that. There we go. That's what they all look like right there. So yeah, now you get the color. Alright, cool. And then look at that ceiling here. The ceiling fans. And looking back down. Alright, so let's keep going. Alright, so as we're walking back through town, you see Dawson Trading Post here. Here's a really cool thing. Check out the moose antlers. That is wild. So I like those. And again, back on the boardwalk. Some of the buildings down through here. We'll keep going. Check this out. I am in the Yukon Visitor Center here in Dawson City. And this is past where they show the film in the back. The model they've got, of course, of what this town used to look like. Apparently, I think it said like 1949 or something. But you see, this is Dawson City right there. Isn't this wild? Hey, you see, we've come all the way around 180 degrees. And look, this keeps going. Somebody built this. Check this out. Then it comes on around 90 degrees. Now here's the gold dredge right here. Look at the detail on that thing. Isn't that pretty nice? And then out to here. And that is the end of it. So here, if I can get it, this is the whole thing. Goes from there back over there. You just, I showed you the other side. Pretty wild. All right, so we are up above Dawson City, and this is what they call the dome up here. And that's the city way down there. So this is high. Then there's river down there. See where they split and come together and split, and got several different places like that. But that's the city of Dawson down there, and we're up this high above it. So this is a long way up. All right. Hope you like this, and hope it's worth the drive. Alright, so now, right here, and we see this nice rock wall, you see, and we come along, and who do we find sitting down here on this rock wall? Why, look at there. Once again, Mr. and Mrs. Dragon out here having fun, just sitting out. But where in the world is here? Let's see if we can figure it out. Maybe if we come back a little bit, we scan up. Why, what does that sign back there say? Yep, it says the Dempster Highway. That's what that says. Here, just to show it to you and prove it, let's get closer. Look at there. The Dempster Highway. This is where they're at. Doing some construction at the very, very start of it. We'll be heading up that way. Right over there's the Cardlock where I was just at, trying to get some gas for the first time. Out of a Cardlock, that is. But anyway, the Dempster Highway. As we come back, and we'll just show you that sign, and we'll just swoop down, and look at there. There's the dragons, having fun again. All right, stay tuned and see where they wind up next. It's probably going to get colder.